Welcome back, and we're looking at the Penobscot Narrows Bridge that sits there in central coast, central Maine, not far from Bar Harbor, across the Penobscot River from Bucksport. You want to come visit and eat ice cream in Bucksport and have a look at that. I wanted you to see this view of looking up. This is from my motorcycle crossing this bridge. Is that phenomenal? That's artwork. Look at that. That other tower, there is an observation booth up in there. You take an elevator all the way to the top. It's not that expensive. It is absolutely worth getting up there, and especially in the autumn, and looking around at the mountains. It's absolutely spectacular. You must make that on your list to come here. Thank you for watching. Click like, subscribe. A lot more coming to the channel. Yeah, make YouTube happy and click like. Take care.